ये वाला पेज
Yes, the computer is having the interleaf copy.
मिस कंप्यूटर में
There
कहाँ
must be an interleaf copy. This is page number 1. Look at my window. This is page number 1 of chapter number 1. Alishba, look at this. Alishba, kindly take a look. This is chapter number 1, page number 1 of your chapter number 1, chapter number 1, operating system. Yes. Before starting this, yes, Rubesha. Rubesha, unmute your mic first. Rubesha, first unmute your mic. I can't hear you. अपने माइक को अनम्यूट करें रुबैशा.
हेलो मिस
Rubesha, एक मिनट अब्दुल्ला, I'm taking your question. Rubesha, unmute your mic. Unmute. माइक ओपन करें पहले. रुबैशा माइक ओपन करें फिर बात करें बेटा. यस रुबैशा. यस बोलिए.
टीचर मैं कह रही हूँ मेरे पास कंप्यूटर की बुक नहीं है.
It's too late. You have to purchase it. I have to start this chapter right now because we have the fall term examination in the month of October. So we have to finish it fastly. And then, yes. Who else? Yes, Abdullah. What do you want to ask? Rubesha, just take a look. Actually, you don't have book as well. Okay, Rubesha and Abdullah, kindly take a look to the. Just kindly listen to me carefully. जो मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ वो आप समझ लीजिए फिर आप इसे कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा. Got it? ठीक है. चलें आप इसको अगर कोई लेक्चर.
रुबैशा माइक को प्रेस करो.
और रुबैशा अनम्यूट, आपने अनम्यूट किया, आप अपने आप को म्यूट करें और अब्दुल्ला ने म्यूट कर लिया है. Now let me start it. I'm
जिस पर
starting.
रेड कलर की लाइन बनी हुई है उसको.
Starting this. Fine. अलिशा आपको भी म्यूट कर रही हूँ बेटा मैं. चलो ना ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं यू हैव टू कार्टून पिक्चर्स ओवर हियर. वन इज टूगल एंड वन इज गूगल. लेट मी स्टार्ट विद इट. ओके. Hey Tuggal, look. When I switch on the computer, these changes started taking place on the screen on their own. What are these? The Tuggal says, "Oh, that's the operating system getting loaded." The, the Google reply again, the operating system Toggle? What's that? Now the Toggle says, I'll explain you what is operating system. Now today I will explain you what is operating system. Whenever you open your computer, you can see the uploadings that will start. आपको छोटा सा window बना हुआ दिखता है, right? You can see the small colorful window of 4 color. जी आप ये वाला window देखते हैं, picture देखिए, ये देखिए, ये open होता है, होते ही आपके पास आता है. So it's mean your operating system is started. Yes, Abraham, what happened? Unmute your mic and ask me. Abraham, I can't hear you.
टीचर वो टीचर मैं मेरा गलती से हैंड रेज रह गया था.
Okay, fine. चलिए, unmute करें अपने mic को. Okay, whenever you open the computer, it appears, it always start uploading, right? What is operating system? An operating system is a very important part of the computer. Before we talk about the computer operating system, let us understand what is computer is made up of. कंप्यूटर किस चीज से बनता है पहले हम इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. इसके बाद हम आपको बताएंगे कि what is operating system. What is a computer made up of? A computer is made up of hardware and software. You all know the computers is depend on the hardware devices and softwares. Hardwares are the things which you can touch and feel. For example, you have the monitor, you have the webcam, you have the computer mouse, you have the keyboard. It is all comes in the computer hardware. When we talk about the computer softwares are the programs which enable you to perform some tasks. For example, if you want to make uh, painting on the computer, so you use the paint software. If you are going to have the if you want to see the movies, so you have to open the software of the movies so that you can easily see the desired movie. So now let's learn about it, which is present in your book in page number 1. Hardware refers to the part of computer that you can touch or feel. The CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, and microphone are examples of computer hardware. Input devices, the processing unit, Storage devices and output devices. Examples are the computer hardware. You know, in the computer hardware, we have two categories: the input devices and the output devices. Okay. And when we talk about the software, software refers to the set of program, a set of instruction given to the computer that performs some task into the computer. Some of the popular computer softwares are MS Windows, MS Office, KTurtle, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Flash. When you start your computer, the operating system is software. The system starts, software also starts with it. जब भी आप अपना कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट करते हैं तो जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं वो स्टार्ट होते हैं. चलिए जल्दी से यहाँ व्हाइट बोर्ड देखते हैं हम लोग. इस व्हाइट बोर्ड में मैं आपको शो करूंगी. सबसे पहले तो मैं शरारती बच्चों के लिए एनोटेशन मिटा दूं एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट. चलिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको बताना है कि आपका कंप्यूटर होता क्या है. द कंप्यूटर्स आर ऑलवेज डिवाइडेड.
टीचर, ये आप कॉपी पे लिखवाएंगी?
नहीं, कॉपी पे नहीं करना, आपको समझाने के लिए करवा रहे हैं. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम टेक्स्ट लिखेंगे. व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर इज मेड ऑफ. कंप्यूटर किस चीज से बनता है. कंप्यूटर्स आर ऑलवेज divided into two parts. Okay, what are the two parts? The one part is hardware and the second part is software. Okay, the first part is hardware and the second part is software. What is hardware? Now let me explain you. What are the computers hardware? I'm just giving you 4 names of hardwares right now. Monitor, CPU,
ये कौन सी पिक्चर आ गई हुई इतनी खौफनाक?
keyboard and mouse. Okay, fine. The computer hardwares are divided into different sort of hardwares. The computer hardware is what which you can touch and feel. Okay, when you can touch and feel any part of computer, it is called hardware. Walaikum assalam. Please mute your mic. Walaikum assalam. Please mute your mic.
आपका नाम क्या है?
My name is Zara Hussain. I'm your ICT teacher. My name is Zara Hussain. Whenever you enter to the Zoom class, please always mute your mic. Okay? Fine. So the computers are always divided into two parts: the computer hardware, and now when we talk about the computer software are divided into different parts. For example, the first part is the MS Office.
टीचर, मैंने यूनिट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर लिखे थे, इनपुट डिवाइसेस लिखी थी और आउटपुट डिवाइसेस, स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस लिखी थी. आउटपुट डिवाइसेस, प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइसेस और स्टोरेज डिवाइस.
Okay, Lishma. Now, first of all, come to the hardware again. The hardware is also divided into two parts. One part is input devices and two part is output devices. So when we talk about the monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse, I will show you keyboard and mouse. These are the input devices. Okay, which is used to show you the input. हम जब इनपुट हमें करना होता है तो हम इन दो डिवाइसेस से करते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द हार्डवेयर डिवाइस, आउटपुट डिवाइस, हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस के आउटपुट के लिए तो हम क्या शो करेंगे? मॉनिटर और प्रिंटर. मॉनिटर हो गया या प्रिंटर हो गया, ये हमारी कौन सी डिवाइसेस है? आउटपुट डिवाइसेस है. ठीक है, ये हमारी आउटपुट डिवाइसेस है जिससे हमें डाटा मिलता है, नजर आ रहा होता है, या फिर प्रिंटर के थ्रू हमारे पास हार्ड कॉपी में आता है. राइट. So the monitor is the output device by which we can see the output on the screen, and we have the output device speaker by which we can hear the sound. We can hear the sound of the which is input over there, and we can also have the printer by which we can have the output by using the papers output, by using the paper, we can have the output over there. आपके पास जो भी कंप्यूटर में आपने लिखा होता है वो पेपर के थ्रू उसके अंदर प्रिंट होके बाहर आपके हाथ में आ जाता है. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड आउटपुट डिवाइस. ठीक है. इसके बाद कीबोर्ड की बात करेंगे और हम बात करेंगे माउस की. अच्छा, CPU is what? CPU is a processing unit. So it never comes in input or output devices. CPU always known as processing unit because all the processing always comes in the in the CPU. Whenever we type or whenever we write any of the counting, any of the number, any of anything, so it always done by yes. Abraham raised a hand. Okay, the CPU is the processing unit, while the keyboard, mouse, and scanner, these all are the input devices. And when we talk about the monitor, printer, speaker, it is all the output devices. Yes, Abraham, I'm taking your question. Yes, Abraham. Maham, what you want to ask? Please, please, Maham, don't open your audio whenever you are taking the class, okay? Because the back side of voice will disturb us. And please be attentive here. Yes, who is unmute right now? Abraham. Yes, Abraham, what you want to ask? Yes, Abraham.
Is a device. It is including into processing devices.
Which one?
Teacher, we have hardware and software. So there are some examples. There are input devices, output devices, storage devices, and processing devices.
Yes, the storage. Right now, I am not talking about the storage devices. I'm not talking about the storage devices right now. Okay, the storage devices always include the CDs, DVDs, and USBs. It is all comes on the storage devices. But right now, I'm emphasizing on hardware and software input and output devices. Right. So in the hardware is always divided into two parts: input devices, output devices, and also in the processing unit and also in the storage device. But right now we are emphasizing on these four hardware devices. So in these four hardware devices, we have two input device, one output device, and one processing unit. The CPU is always called a processing unit by which we can have, it helps us to do so many actions over there. It helps us to perform so many tasks right now. Okay, then we talk about the software. Now come to the software. In the software, the software is used to perform the task inside the computer. For example, Paint program, MS Paint, MS Office, KTurtle, and जो भी आप पढ़ेंगे मतलब आपने और क्या पढ़ा हुआ होगा means Windows Media Player. These all are the softwares. These all are the softwares which always start when your computer starts. Got it? So I hope you all understand about the hardware, software, and input and output devices. ठीक है? विंडोज मीडिया प्लेयर लगाने का मकसद ये था कि आप सब लोग अपने कंप्यूटर में जो भी वीडियोस देखते हैं तो फिर ये सब कुछ आपके विंडोज मीडिया प्लेयर के थ्रू आ रहे होती है या फिर आपके पास कोई और भी ऑडियो या मीडिया सॉफ्टवेयर है. Got it? So I hope this diagram show you how computers are divided in. The computers are divided into two parts, hardware and software. The hardware devices are those devices by which we can touch and feel. Okay? The hardware devices are also categorized in four sections, that is input devices, output devices, processing unit, and storage unit. Right now, I'm not talking about the storage devices, but we are discussing about the output devices. The monitor, the printer, the speakers are the output devices. While we talk about the processing unit, the CPU always comes as the processing unit. When we talk about the input devices, the keyboard and the mouse are the input devices, as well as the scanner, the light fan, these all are the input devices. Okay? And when we talk about the softwares, we have the softwares. Whenever we start the computer, whenever the computer starts, the operating system starts. And while starting with the operating system, all the softwares will also start while starting the computer. Okay? जब भी हम अपना कंप्यूटर ऑन करते हैं हमारा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ऑन होता है. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ऑलवेज वर्क एज अ हार्ड ऑफ कंप्यूटर. As you all know, yes, I'm taking your question here. 1 minute. As the computer brain is worked as a CPU, while the computer operating system is worked as a heart of PCU. Heart. Yes, Ayan. Yes, Ayan बेटा. आप अनम्यूट करें अपने आप को, आप पूछिए बेटा. Ayan, ask me the question. Sorry. आप कह रहे हैं आप क्लास एंड करना चाह रहे हैं? Ayan, can you speak loudly बेटा? Ayan, can you speak loudly? I can't hear you. Hurry up. Okay, these are the major parts of कंप्यूटर. ठीक है, आपको ये बताया हार्डवेयर क्या होता है, सॉफ्टवेयर क्या होता है, सॉफ्टवेयर में क्या क्या चीजें आती हैं. MS ऑफिस हो गया, MS पेंट हो गया, के टर्टल हो गया, मीडिया प्लेयर हो गया, या फिर आप लोग इसमें सॉफ्टवेयर में आप देख सकते हैं एडोब फोटोशॉप या फिर फ्लैश, एडोब फ्लैश, ये सब आप आगे जाके पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, दीज आर द कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर. नाउ कम ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पेज ऑफ योर बुक. दिस इज पेज नंबर 2. The topic is operating system. The operating system is a program that helps the computer hardware to work with other computer softwares. It helps the user to get an output from the computer. A computer is of no use without an operating system. There are 3 steps how a computer works. First of all, I would like to explain you in easy words that what is operating system. The operating system is just like a heart of computer. When when we talk about the human, अगर हमारा हार्ड वर्किंग करना छोड़ दे तो हम मर जाते हैं ना, हम जिंदा नहीं रहते. इसी तरीके से अगर कंप्यूटर का ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम खराब हो जाए तो कंप्यूटर बंद हो जाता है, वो नहीं चल पाता. राइट. इसी तरीके से अगर आप बात करेंगे कंप्यूटर सीपीयू की, तो सीपीयू जो है वो ब्रेन की तरह काम करता है कंप्यूटर का. जैसे ह्यूमन के अंदर ब्रेन वर्क करता है, सारे प्रोसेसिंग हमारा ब्रेन करता है, वैसे ही हमारे कंप्यूटर के अंदर सारा वर्क सीपीयू करता है. बट operating system is always treated as a heart of computer. It is an essential part of computer. It is a software which is used when we start the computer. It always upload, and when it is uploaded, all the softwares in the computer is always uploaded. So how it works? The operating system always performs the always starts with the help of the computer hardware to work it. The operating system is a program. This is the program. Operating system में कैसा program है that helps a computer hardware. जो कि computer hardware को help करता है हमारे computer software के साथ work करने. Got it? और किस तरह से काम करता है हम देख सकते हैं. Look at page number 2, figure number 1.1. Right now, I'm talking about this figure. After this picture explanation, I will finish the class. But before it, right now you have to listen to me carefully. Keyboard. The keyboard is an input device. You can see the keyboard. By using the keyboard, we can input all the data which always go for the CPU. जब हम कुछ भी एंटर करते हैं वो हमारे CPU पे जाता है, प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट पे, और फिर वो हमें आउटपुट देता है मॉनिटर के अंदर, जो कि हमें शो करता है आउटपुट. Different kinds of software takes input from the user, pass them onto the CPU from the processing, and then help to display the result or output. ठीक है, वो हमें आउटपुट देता है. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम help to make this exchange of input and output among the input devices and the software, the CPU and the output devices possible. ये जितना भी वर्क होता है हमारे कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर से लेकर प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट से हमारे आउटपुट पर जाने का, ये सारा का सारा वर्क जो है ये हमारा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम डील करता है. गॉट इट? इसी तरीके से अगर मैं आपको ह्यूमन बॉडी से एक्सप्लेनेशन दूं तो आपका ब्रेन, आपके ब्रेन से जो कुछ भी मीन्स आपका जो कनेक्टिविटी होती है, वो जितनी भी हमारा हार्ट है, हार्ट ने हमें कंट्रोल किया हुआ है हमारी हर चीज. राइट. तो आपकी जितनी भी सर्कुलेशन है वो हार्ट के थ्रू जाती है ना. तो इसी तरीके से ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो है वो आपको हमारा वो जरिया बनता है हमारे इनपुट को आउटपुट बनाने का. प्रोसेसिंग, पहले वो इनपुट से प्रोसेसिंग में लेके जाते हैं सीपीयू के अंदर, फिर वो सीपीयू से प्रोसेस करवाने के बाद आउटपुट पे हमें प्रोवाइड करता है. तो ये ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जो ये सारा वर्क परफॉर्म करता है. I hope you understand what is operating system. In the next class, we will learn about the types of operating system. But right now, don't please, stop sharing your class. Why they have left? Why they left? इतनी जल्दी क्लास कैसे लेफ्ट कर देते हैं लोग? This is so bad. Okay, fine. Well, आप लोग अभी क्लास लीव करें, आप लोग इसके बारे में पढ़िएगा. Everyone must have to bring their books, and inshallah in the next class I will explain you more about this chapter. So see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.